Guess I can start the stream on my secondary desktop while I figure out why my camera isn't working. There he is. Hey. We're gonna do more programming. Get rid of that. We have our exit padding, mixin, um, so I'm gonna need the variables file. Bring this over here. Um, hmm. I want global. Wait, oh, this is structure. Back here, global. What am I looking for? The padding. Let's just control F for fluid. Yeah. Is that the only one? Where's instances? Yep, only one. Padding. Break access, break SM. 1px, 4px. Okay. We would go back to the bars. Structure feels good. Structure, I'm gonna do add EW. Access. These are going to be positive because it's not from the exit. The exit is just going to be times negative for these. So now I have my variables. Save that boy. Come over here. Make some room. Exit padding. We'll now use yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is replace all of these. With pad min size. Oh, undo that. Copy it. Replace it with that. Now you find these. Get rid of that. AI trying to be too helpful. Oh wait, these are VWs. Yeah, wait. I want these. 100% minus admin size times 2. This will be plus, because the min size is now the positive version, right? And the width, 100% is the container, which has the padding. So yes, correct. Which means I would add these, I would add that times 2 minus this times 2 times that. I think that's plus. That feels right, and that should still work exactly as it had before. Okay, pad min BW. Hmm. Variables are undefined in the util. That's interesting. You know what? These are variables. I should separate out these variables into the variables file and then include that here. That's what I should do. So I'm going to use vars as star. I could probably do that too. But I know that's in here. Huh. that back in place. See if that works. Right, no, pattern sizes aren't defined now. So do I just undo everything in here real quick? Save that. That work? Building. Okay, so that works fine. Um, Now let's try just using the vars. Yeah, that gives me this error. And that can't be true. Yeah, because these are both partials. These are both partials. So something's going on here. Utils and vars. Let me see where I imported it. Forwards util with this, but now I'm super confused. Ah, util slash index forwards util and vars. Haha! Oh, idiot. That's such an easy thing to not do. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so frustrating at this font size. You know, I was doing that for you guys, but people have good screens. This is 720p probably. This will be fine. Okay, so I want to include the variables before the util. See, my dumbass was importing this folder, which means the underscore index file, not this file. And this is just both of these files. And then this index is actually not these files, but overrides global components. I gotta get the docs for this up. I already have the code written to automatically generate it from the comments. So yeah, that fixed it. I'm back to util. Go to the bottom. We're gonna get rid of padding min size first. Control F. Gonna be pad min size. Let's find pad min size. And just since it's now the positive instead of the negative, we're gonna add, we're gonna add, we're gonna add. And then I think before I changed that, but I think that's not what we want. It would be, no, no, it would. It would. We're gonna add that, but the calculations are gonna come out wrong because I haven't changed padding max size. But I just want to see if it builds. No. Oh, did I forget to, yeah. Now what do you have to say? That's what I thought. Over here? Good and happy. Okay, just always remember to import your files in the correct order. If you import variables after, those variables don't exist when you try to use them. Back down here. I need to split this up more. Exit padding. That means I can get rid of these. Place those. Search for them again. Get rid of that. I already fixed this one. Since these are both flopped, I don't need to swap that. Oh, okay, so I don't need strip unit. What's that? Times 2 times 100 BW minus padding min BW. Padding min BW. I strip unit. Max BW minus min BW. Yeah, also don't need this one. But what I do need is to multiply this by 1 pixel. I think I followed that right. I feel kind of confused after figuring it out, but oh, I did not figure it out. What have I done wrong here? Back up, back it up. Let's just check this. Woo! Didn't mean to do that. Check this. So yeah, it was wrong. It was wrong far before I tried any of that. So put it back here. Are we good? No. No, it's not good anywhere. What did I do wrong? Back to the beginning. Beautiful. It is flexible. It does not overlap with the scroll bar. Got to put extra padding in there. I'll get there. First, what I want to do is get rid of this. Padding min size. -4 pixels. And that's 4 pixels. So, this works. Min size down here. And that's the exact right size. -4 pixels. Okay. Use bars as stars. And we get rid of padding min size. We find padding min size. Replace it with pad min size. Oh, wait. Okay, wait. That's what I forgot to do. I forgot to update the top and left values. Okay. Replace them. Get rid of that. Should have known because they were highlighted. I just wasn't looking at it. So I make that a plus. I make that a plus. I guess if I want this to work without updating max, I do need to make that a plus. Otherwise, that's fine. This is going to get times -1. Save that, and it's going to work fine. Shit. Well, the min works fine. Oh, now it's working fine. It's just sometimes the video doesn't go 100%. I gotta figure out what's going on there. But this looks right. Okay. So I come back. I see, I'm coming. Alright. I need to let my cat inside. Look at my wallpaper. Isn't it fun? I got any treats too? I'm surprised he wants to go out at all. Little freak of nature. Okay. Ba 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 ba. It looks like we're good. We're gonna do those. Get rid of that. Replace the padding max side with the pad max size. Replace. Move that to a plus. Search for the pad max sides. There are 4. Already got those. This one goes back to a minus. I save it. It builds. And everything works as planned. Oh. You son of a bitch. 'Cause yeah, just I mean it's gotta be me. Ah. Ah. Supposed to be adding those. And now that didn't fix it, did it? %, plus the min times 2 plus the max minus the min times 2 times 100 BW. What am I doing wrong here? Definitely a math problem. Everything's good up there. 100%. It was minus this times 2. Now it's plus that times 2, but that's opposite. Plus the max size minus the min size times 2. I have to have a unit. Yeah, okay. Huh. Guess I should have just inspected what the output of the calculation was. Video BG, 100%. Oh no. I want width, calc, 100% plus 4px times 2 plus 12 times 2 times 100. Viewport width minus 480, which doesn't mean anything, divided by 288. If I change this to, oh wait, let's go back to, yeah, there. Change this to px. No. Well, let's see what happens when I fix it. Four hundred and eighty times 1 pixel minus, what's the difference between that and what I did? Oh yeah, I want to be here. I'm 12px if I just 480 px. What I have. That still works. Let's undo this again. Check it out. That's not working. I add px there. Yeah, everything's fine. Okay, so I just needed to add the thing. Oh wait. God damn it, get out of my way. This should be in here. Oh, it's not times 1 px, that's the unit actually goes there. Okay, and now everything should be cool. Everything's cool, but since I needed to add the unit, tells me, okay, yeah, I want to get rid of these now. Get break XS, so the variable is XS. I think I'm going to keep these variables. Yep. Just to keep it easy on me. Maybe I'll rework it later. Love it. Or Gotta think about this more. So I could get rid of these strip units, or I could add the unit. Get rid of the times 1 px. And it would be back to what the function was. But it just adds a calc 100% plus. So does that mean come up to the fluid? Okay, so I'm going to add a base option. I think it's a default of null. Is that how you give variables default values in mixins? Yeah. Where was I? Base value of the fluid property. I love it. Very easy. Okay, so we come down here. Oh yeah, I wanted to see if I could get rid of the wrapping and selector. Just try it. And just do that. Looks like I can. Don't keep that out of there. Although it did make things a little cleaner. And anyway, we're doing this. So it's back in there. Now let's see if this works. If base is in here, gonna be calc cosine base. Plus min size. Yeah, it's gonna be calc base plus. Oh, well, no, because also I need to do the times two. I also need to do the times two. Oh, I think I can do this. I think this is good. Base plus min size plus all these fun things. And then this one is Come on, AI, do it for me. No? There we go. That's close enough. So I'm hoping that works just fine. It works just fine. We're good. Still good. Now let's try to give it a base. So this, we'd be replacing this with good width, padding min VW gives the map break. Can I do that? Width, padding min VW, padding max VW, pad min size times -2, pad max size times -2, base of 100%. AI got that one right. And we just get rid of that. Is that doing what I think it's doing? Nope. Okay, yeah, so that's just not gonna work out. Do need the width to be padding min, padding max, padding min size divided by times -2, padding max times -2 and 100%. And that's very wrong. Oops. What happens if I make it a +2? Now it's working correctly. That means I did something wrong here, right? The width. No, the width got the opposite of the top and the left because it was negative. Yes. Okay, so we're good here. Top and left is minus by the amount. Width is 100% plus 2 times the amount. Much cleaner. Now let's see this. How often do we see these? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna get rid of these. No, that's not as readable. These ones are fine to stay, I think. Excuse me. Okay. So that works fine. Maybe I should keep this by the fluid function. Mix in. I knew it was coming up at some point. Okay. Now I've got that in two locations. It's going to be for the video section, but also if there's a video section inside of a landing section, that's going to get it, and it's also going to override this and remove it on that. Okay. Got mixins, got functions. Maybe I should split it up like that, split it up in mixins and functions. These are variables. These are all variables. So I think they're all going to go into vars. Maybe I'll split it up into functions and mixins. Oh. Well, these are the ones that you're supposed to override. There's some in here that are just regular global variables. You really only override this lib variable. And I guess you can update the delay base and delay step. That'll update the different delay values. Override the breakpoints. These are the defaults. You can set bootstrap 5. This doesn't actually work, I don't think. I need to double check on that. Because over here I have a different system where you have like this border primary default is brand 5, but then the actual one is just set to the default, which is the default. So you can override this. You can override the default, but if you don't, it's going to be that. And that helps me out. If the theme is different, then I have to do this inline if function. It's really annoying. Okay. So I think that means I'm at a good place with escaping out of the page padding. Now that I've done that, we need to make sure this content gets some padding for the arrows. Oh, the video BG needs to be the full. Needs to be full screen. Um, I can't give this padding because that'll muck up the video BG widget. Yeah. So it has to come from this guy. Maybe not even this guy. Yeah, that works. Okay, so if the video BG widget isn't in the landing widget, it should get the normal page padding. So we're gonna come back to util. Oh no, look for fluid. We have fluid, and now we have exit padding, and we're gonna duplicate it. And fluid padding. Uh, BW pad that stays. Fluid, instead of top and left, we do padding. Remove that. Remove the width. Remove the negative ones. And the times ones, don't need that. Cool. Now I go back to global. It's got to be here somewhere. Go to global. 416 SM XS. Yeah, so we replace this with fluid padding. Save that. Make sure everything's cool. There is fluid padding. Yeah, tiny padding on mobile, and then as it gets bigger, it gives you just a little bit more. It's super smooth until it has extra padding. So that still works. And I'm gonna want to put this on landing video BG. I think that's right. Yes. Haha. Well, no, wait. No. No. I was wrong. I want this for video BG. Okay, so it gets exit padding and it gets fluid padding. Great. That's a little confusing, but exit padding doesn't actually do anything to the padding. It's top, left, and width, whereas fluid padding just adds padding. So we're good here. Got that there. It looks good, but in landing, um, we're gonna want some extra padding on the video BG in the landing. And that's gonna be util. We're gonna give it its own fluid thing. Should just change this so I can give it access. Uh, I don't need to have this twice in here. I'll come back to rework it. So this one needs those. And then these. Sure, you know what? Let's just keep them regular. See if that's sufficient. No, because it overrides it. So double, still not enough. Those arrows are kind of big. Let's just go times 4. Close to what I want. Yeah, there's some overlap with the content on mobile. I think maybe I'll make them transparent or something. But it's generally pretty good. I think it has enough padding. Yep, seems to be working fine. If we only do video sections, this is probably all I really need to do. Everything else is in the theme. And I have to get it to auto scroll at a certain rate. I think I need to get my homie to make some backgrounds for me so we can get some content going. So that is pretty much what I wanted to do for that. Maybe I'll do an image one, image. Probably want like a tile and a cover version. But I'll figure something out. What a good looking guy. What two good looking guys. Love my homies. Okay, where are we at? Put some extra padding on there. Feel okay about this. I should check to make sure that the video background section works fine without being inside of. Yeah. Make sure it works fine outside of the landing page. Actually, put that there. Cut that. Put it there. Cut that. I'm gonna put it there. I have to make a way to rearrange these, and I'm gonna delete that. Oh shit! I didn't save it. What an idiot. Come down here. This. Copy that. I'm gonna paste it in there. Save it. There's that. And then here is. It's not working. This content works fine. And video BG. Adding 64 pixels. Oh man, my dumbass. Okay, this all comes out. I thought I was inside of landing, but it was inside of root. So I don't need this to be root, so I'm just gonna add landing again. Paste that. I accidentally did a $sign instead of a hashtag for string interpolation. Save it, head back. This still looks great. This, damn. looks fine. Huh. What did I do wrong? We're missing like half contents off to the right and floating bottom. That's good. I think. Grid. Ah, there's supposed to be more content. I guess that's what is going on with that. So I probably have to rework that later. But the video BG by itself is missing something. That's the exit padding. Get rid of the fluid padding. See if that does anything. No. No. I'm gonna make this mint page. No, that's not doing anything for you. Yeah, wait, that did it. Oh, that's just because it got rid of the sidebars. Oh no, I'm down here. When I do that, it brings me up to the top. That's why. Not that one. I want this one. Width is 100% plus 32 pixels. It's 2 times the padding. And it's minus, left should be minus 16 pixels. Doesn't need the left or the top. Oh no, the top it needs. The left isn't doing anything. Put this at 0. Why was it already outside? Position relative to what? Be this. If I get rid of that. Okay, well that's just need width. Okay. Right, exactly. And then exit padding. Oh, and that's too far left. But this one's fine. What if I get rid of the left? They're gonna break the top one? Yes. Yes, but this one's fine. Why isn't this one worried about the left? I don't get it. Why is this? Very confused as to why there would be a difference between these two. Something swiper has, margin left auto, margin position relative. So, and I think I already gave this guy. Yeah, position relative. But it doesn't have the left, so wait, no. It was this that I wanted to do. Add the left back in. Add the left back in. But this guy needs to be position relative. No? Shit. Left 0. It's already relative. But if this is relative, something's not right here. Is it changing border box from me? No, it's still border box. Something is not right. These should be the same. So I guess what I need to do. No. I'm so confused why this, which is position relative, I overrode it up here, position relative. This one's display contents, so this one's display contents. These are all, is this one not display contents? No, it is. And then this one needs the left. At minus 16. This one's position relative. Ah, here we go. This sucker's a content box. You son of a bitch. Why would they use both? I mean, there's gotta be a reason. Maybe I should look up more about box sizing, but I much prefer to keep everything in border box so that I know why the hell, how anything works at any given moment without needing to know what its box sizing function is. So, you set that to border box. Um, and now it looks like it's too wide, right? Can I just get rid of that? No, it's the exact same. Set this to border box, and then oh, the left is 0 when it's in the mint landing anyways. So, so I guess I need to move that. Um, if I just get rid of that and then move this. Actually, no. Get rid of that. Save that, save that. I think I forgot a step. Yeah, definitely not looking good. But this guy now. Top 0. Shouldn't it also have left 0? Did I miss it somewhere? Well, it didn't do it for me. Down here is good though. To add that in. Is that gonna do anything? It is not. Left is already 0 because I deleted it from over here. Um, does this guy then need to steal this and put it in here? That can't be right, can it? It's not. Okay, reverse. We're good. We're good. We're gonna keep that. I'm gonna come over here. What did I undo? Got rid of the left 0. Yeah, I don't think we need that, to be honest. Don't need that. Okay, so that one has the left. And that's good for that. It's not good for this. So it would make sense. I can pull this out of here. Wait, before I start doing any of that, I need to change the box sizing. Fiber wrapper. Ah, and does that make everyone feel? Still bad for him. Now I get rid of this. And we have the opposite problem here. I'm gonna just cut that, paste that in there. Boom. Nope. Nope. Because that is not where I need to put that. I need to put that with landing. Okay. Okay, I see. Clean this up later. Now we're good on both. Um, Get rid of that one. Save it. Save it. I think I can get rid of those. Oh, I was mistaken. Back here, undo that. Oh, oh, I need the max width. That's what it is. Somebody's trying to use it, and I need to make sure that that's not happening. So now these are both full screen, even in the padded area, and they have their own padding. Well, okay. Nope, this one doesn't have padding. Video doesn't have padding? No, because I was having issues. Let's see, now we add the padding. It's padding. That's perfect amount of padding. Gotta fix that, but looking pretty good on both ends. Check mobile. Okay, good. Everybody's cool. Everybody's cool. Okay. Now, now I stretch. Maybe take a break for Isaac. Or just stretching. Okay. Maybe I'll switch to jamming. Okay, so that looks right. This looks right. Hmm. hate this weather. I'm either way too hot or way too cold. I need a jacket. I will be back. Um, and then it's time to make the version of this where it is images. So let's check out my updates to the appartment.com website. And I think I'm just going to leave this here as I take a short break, grab a jacket, and anything else I might need. You know me well, you know what that means. Oh, you know what I forgot to do is mute my mic. Don't want no spies in this area. Where's OBS? I have returned. What was I up to? Making sure these both worked right. And it looks like we're good. I mean, obviously not finished. I'm gonna make it so that this can also be top and bottom aligned. This content's not even in there. It's that 15% margin. I gotta fix that. That can't be what it is. Yeah, no way 15% is gonna work. Because now the content's all the way down here. It's supposed to be overlapping with this. Supposed to be just like, I don't know, let's grab this. And the code for the card, or maybe the grid. Yeah, that gets the margin bottom minus 15%. This one gets the margin bottom at 15%. Why can't I override that? Oof. Bring this back center so you can see my. Okay, that's how I want it. The content should be. Grid gets the margin bottom minus 15. The video BG gets the margin bottom plus 15. Margin bottom 0. I come down to the grid and do margin bottom 0. Okay. Got it aligned bottom. I guess margin bottom would be too round. The 15% was specifically for this content, and it works here. But I need something more global. No height, min height, 100 VH minus header height. Yeah, that sounds about right. Um, why can't I edit this? I did something. I messed something up. Guess I'll just copy it. That, but plus 500 pixels. I'm thinking about this all wrong. This guy's inside of here. The video is 100% width and height. Oh, why is this -4? No, get rid of that. Where is this extra height coming from? Okay, this is just the padding of the page. I think I got it. I think I need to go to the video, change this height. Get rid of that. Well, we'll keep that there as the min height. This 100% is also going to get that. So that way, if this is bigger, we can get rid of that. Save it. Come back. Feels good up there. This one. Margin bottom minus 15%. I forgot to get rid of that, but this video is the height, but I could take this guy, do this. So the video is gonna need top 0. Now back on the BG, it's got the extra. That works. That's in there. Just gonna copy this card, bring it over here. Yeah, that feels better. Guess maybe I might ask the question, why not overlap on mobile? So I think that's what I decided. Um, the video had to be top 0. This is still down too much. It still has the 15%, I do believe. Yes. Yes. Do I just get rid of that? Could do left, could do right. Middle, top, bottom. We'll get there. Okay. Yeah. I think that's gonna do it. We'll just do a solid 10 rem. Little 10 rem extra. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna want that. It's old news. Okay, now this feels a whole lot better. This is the exact same. Just gotta get it to go from, well, this one's center, right? I want to make sure I can get, you can place the content in any of the 9 positions, be divided by 2 either way. But maybe I should do one that's an image first. Okay, what do I need next? I need an image. Maybe I just rename it from video BG to something else and allow images to be the background of this anyways. Yes. 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 But I need to look at the video BG component. TypeScript. Very good. That's not what I meant though. Get rid of that. discovered yesterday, I can just do that. Can I do that with videos? Okay. The elements that I'm gonna bring this in here. Uh, a self-closing tag is known as a void element. They're self-closing because they can't have any content. It only has attributes. And that includes area, base, bur, call, embed, her, img, input, link, meta, param, source, track. Woober. I like woober. Okay, but a video element needs to have an opening and a closing. Just I knew the same thing works with like an iframe. You can't self-close an iframe. But I'm gonna go ahead and say that homie who said I can self-close Angular tags is right. And why wouldn't Angular let you do that? So, whoops, that's a little behind the scenes. I'm gonna keep that. Okay. So all I have to do is switch based on the format of the source, which means I'm gonna cut that, and I'm gonna do oh, do I have an embed? I do. Not sure that's gonna work how I want it to, but we're gonna do this dot underscore. No. Can I do a switch true? Yeah, look at that. No, no. And it deleted my ng content. This is getting, I'm using cursor, been getting a little frustrating, but it felt way better than Copilot in the beginning. But now Copilot is free or comes with my the GitHub account, so I gotta go back and check that out. Oh, come on. What am I doing? src dot starts with http. Yeah, we got else if this dot item no dot ends with and before. Got rid of my ng content again. This is getting real old, AI. Then we paste what we had before, and then we add else int widget image and mint widget embed. They're self-closing. I love it. I love it. That means we need to update the imports. I follow my own naming conventions. I was just sorting the lines ascending. Sometimes I just do that instead of actually paying attention to what the names of the things are. Okay, so we're up here. Love it. Ah, yes. Left side does not include null or undefined in its type. Therefore, oh, this one, that's why, yes. Okay. Wait, this stupid thing. Didn't I? That's why developers just shouldn't use AI. Clearly remember doing that. And when I auto-completed, I'm guessing this, it just decided it wanted to replace what I had with what it had, and I just, oh, I hate that. It irks me. But now that these are in line, come back to the terminal. Control Shift 5 is split on Windows, and npm no npx ng build ngx mint is the library. Dash watch. That will rebuild, and then that will rebuild. No, it's gonna get stuck. Sometimes that happens. But I'm pretty sure usually if I Control C and then run serve again, usually after I make my next change, it'll keep up. Let's just yep, we're good. Do that. This reloads. I broke something. Type error. Failed to fetch dynamically imported module. Oh, I don't like what happened there. Okay, I see what I did. I see what I did. Did it work? I didn't think it was gonna work, but um, so the video source will end with HTTP. So how do I figure out? I'm gonna have to check. I have to put this last. This up here. Both gonna be ends with. Come on, man, this sucks. Um, oh, I think it's time for me to call it quits because I'm starting to get real angry at the invasive AI. Maybe I should just switch back to VS Code. No, I can't do regular expressions in here. I do like new regular expression. I think that's probably just not legal. All right, all right. I'll come back to finding a good way to do this. No, no, no. Oh yeah, I can just do a string. I can just make it a string. Aha. I want a dot. Um, I want parentheses. I want dollar sign. JP E question mark G or PNG or what else? We'll give GIF a shout out or what P gets to go before GIF. or SVG. That sounds fine. Will that work? Everybody gonna be okay with that? Got the video. Come back to edit. Oh, edit pages. Let's find home. Make this first one. Well, no, we're gonna get rid of this first one. And take the second one, copy it, paste it in there. Remove this MP4. We'll go to back to apartment. Inspect. We wanna, oh boy. Oh, it doesn't have the background. Okay, so it's gonna be app root, I imagine. No, that's the before. Love me a good pseudo selector. Copy image URL. What was I doing? Oh, come on over here. No, so I do. Yes. Okay, come over here. Place the source with image. Save it. Reload. Hey! It's beautiful. Inspect this. It's a mint embed. Ends with .jpg. I mess up my regular expression. Literal period. JPE question mark G or, and then this is ending. Case insensitive. Right? Looks right to me. It is an iframe. Iframe with an image in it. That's fun. Okay, so let's just try it without the E question mark. Still looks like an embed. Yeah. Put that back. Maybe dollar sign is beginning. Let me check my regular expression. Okay. The expression's fine. This dot item dot source dot match. Match is wrong. Yes. Yes, match is wrong. Um Test. Test. To return a boolean. To return a boolean. Return true, false. Yes. So not match. Match is just has more utility. Test. Oh. Test doesn't exist on type string. Okay. 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 I want a string function. Huh. Okay, so it tells me I'm just God damn it, trying to autofill for me and it's just ruining everything. No? That better do it. No? Hmm. In common. It does. No. Yeah, I get that. Just trying to figure it out. But I remove the quotes. Ah, you're right. You're right. You're right. Whatevs. That looks lovely. You good over here? Come on. Well, it's there. It ends with .jpg. Check the logs. Whoa. Lots of undefined. JPG. Um, huh. Dot MP4. What? Oh, that's this one. Okay, this one ends with dot .jpg. I'm missing something. This not its image. This dot underscore item. Calling the signal dot src. Widget image item equals this dot underscore item. The ends with MP4 is fine. Why is it? Why is it not printing this out? Maybe this way I'll get a null. That's a string. I can't believe I can't get this. This is the image. This is the embed. Image is, this is outputting .jpeg. And this dot is image. I'm getting all undefineds. But that's result. Forgot to log the source. JPEG undefined. That. SSO. Forgot to remove the quotes. Dumbass. Okay, so we're good here. Return, take this, bring it down here. Delete that. Good. So just no regular expressions in the templates, I guess. At least not that I know of. Okay, so now I can get rid of these. And gotta come to the video styles, video BG, icon video. I think this is gonna be easy. First off, get rid of that. This up here, we're just gonna, oh, I already said iframe. Try one of them. Did not work. Oop. Thought maybe it might be them. Video BG MG. And the position absolute's kind of making it disappear. Can I like C index it? Um, no. Maybe it's the height auto. Oh, there we go. We're getting somewhere. Okay, let's see if I can change this to a class image. There we go. And we got a version with an image, video, image, video, image, video, image, video, image, video, image, video, image. That's not quite it. It's not quite the jam. What am I doing here? Wait, I thought I got rid of this. I'm not using the sections anymore anyways. Get rid of that. So that tells me this is something for a landing, and I should test this guy. I think I might get rid of the mobile version of this. Keep it the same. Yeah, I think that's gonna happen. So that would mean I don't know about that, but this one 100% object fit cover. Why is the exit padding only working on desktop? Okay, so I got a feeling these are just gonna come out here. Both look fine. This one now looks not fine. Why does that work there? The min height, maybe? Yeah, that feels right. That feels right. Let's take these guys, put them up here, save it, check back, we'll format later. Good. Good, good. And this is always 100% height. Gotta tell them to focus videos in the center for phones. So that's good. This feels good. I think this might, is this stretching? Yeah, it is stretching. So I'm gonna need a version with tiling. Hmm, there it is. Object fit is cover. Fit is going to be none of these. Um, oh, I'm thinking of it like a background, but it's an image. Hmm. Oh, object repeat, like background repeat. Object fit none. Oh, no. Can I even tile an image without using a background? That's not what I want. I'm gonna give up. I'm gonna give up. I feel pretty good about where I landed today. And I'll work on the one that tiles more like this later. Okay, we're getting pretty close with this. And once I get done with this, I'm gonna go back to finishing the store so that people can subscribe to Death Comes Lifting. And my homie doesn't have to pay Patreon. That is the plan, at least. Looking pretty good, but I don't think I'm at a place where I want to publish a new version. So I think I'm just gonna wait and come back to this. Probably pretty done. It's 7:30. I'm tired. I'm probably gonna play Binding of Isaac game. Maybe I'll do jamming with Sam on stream. Oh, I need to clean this up. Silly. This large font is killing me. Maybe I realized why people use two spaces instead of four if you're using such big font. This feels so much better. Oh, but you can't see for shit in the video. Okay, this nothing. Get rid of that. Image. Probably gonna want embed in there. I haven't tested it yet, but will. Where are these two? Oh, I think I figured out why these two were different. Or at least I have a theory. By different, I mean one needed the margin left, negative margin left, and the other didn't. This guy, oh, no, never mind. I thought I was onto something, but I don't think I was. Let's just give it a try. Make a grid. And its only item is the video BG. Save it. Come down here. Go in here. Now it's in its grid, and now it needs it. So that tells me I can come over to landing, take this, no, take this, put it back into here, save it, delete these, delete. No, not these. Save that, come over here, nothing, nothing. Check this out. Okay, now I messed this one up. This one's back. Well, I didn't figure it out, so I'm just gonna undo that. Undo that. Is there anything to undo in here? I don't think so. Come back here. This is in a grid. And so I don't forget about that. Can I just paste that back in? No. Like that. Paste it back in. Save it. Come back. Reload. Back to a good spot. Back to a good spot. So actually, I think I am just gonna. I might as well commit. Tip. This is just the type docs. So you do /caret diff, and that'll take you to the next file. Landing. Got the exit padding. Function. Still had to include the variables for fluid left. Wrapper gets border box. Does wrapper need border box? Good question. Did that ever do anything? No. Oh, the problem was something else that I did, so we can keep that. Back here. Video. Video has used SAS map in it, but that's no longer in the code. Come back here. Got rid of all that trim. Include the fluid padding here so I can include it elsewhere. Moved util after bars, included the bars in util. Added base to the fluid mix-in, added the fluid padding and exit padding mix-ins. Reformatted this because whatever formatter I'm using is weird. Probably won't ever override those, but it's nice to have. Everything looks fine, so we can npm version patch, force it. The message is %s is the new version number. Just gonna close the quote and think about removed mobile video BG plus landing dials. Good. And this is the part where there's waiting, so not a whole lot of options of what to do. Come on. Go. Got a new version of Mint. Open up File Explorer, bring it out of view. Play that A minor song. I only have 2 songs that I play to, because I don't know what's legal. Bring this up here, grab my fretboard, put it in A minor, drop D, send it off to the right. No, come on, shortcuts, you got this. Why is this so hard? Well, that was embarrassing. We're good here. Update Mint. Oops. That. Don't need the common module in the video BG. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Save it. Come over here. Double check. We're good. Back to here. I think we're good then. Ready. And Gotta figure out how to recover from those. Am I done with programming already? Yeah, I don't think I'm going back. I don't feel like starting a new stream, so we're just gonna keep this going. Maybe I'll clip it. Woo! That was fun. Peace.